This is my first time drawing, and I wanted to draw specifically Will Smith and Chris Rock in regards to the Academy Awards. And this is a symbolic representation of unity. And I hope we as a people, or as human beings, can come together and put our differences aside. Much love and respect to Will Smith. Much love and respect to Chris Rock. You know, to me the most challenging aspect of this is able to draw the tie. The ties are peculiar, you know. If you kind of want to, the way the ties are shaped, it's sort of like Chris Rock tie has like an obliquely, it's oblique. It's oblique, it's like a purple.